Just can't get yourself to believe the title is true? In today's video, you're about to find out how to make money in one of the simplest ways possible. So, stick around till the very end to know all about making money online. Alright, let's cut right into the video. About the concept. You heard it right. There have been pages and pages that prove that payments have been made to people who have barely watched a YouTube video for as long as 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. And that's it. While this may seem a complete and utter nonsense to you, it's true. Various websites now pay for YouTube videos to be watched, and if you're looking for a way to earn some easy money every hour, this might be it for you. Imagine getting to sit at the comfort of your homes, go on these websites, and be redirected to YouTube, watch a video, and boom, earn up to $120 per hour. Wow, how cool is that? Lucky for you, today we're going to be providing all the necessary pieces of information on these websites to help you succeed in doing so. Keep in mind that the amount you get paid depends on the number of websites that you work on. For example, one website can get you $18 an hour, and 3 can get you up to $50 per hour. And by working on 5 websites, you can get as much as $100 per hour. Whoa! The best part? It doesn't matter what country you're in. These websites will pay you for watching simple YouTube videos in any part of the world. We won't keep you waiting any longer. Here's the list of the websites that might potentially change your life. Number 6 is ucubes.com. First on our list today is ucubes.com. ucubes.com is a pay-to-click or PTC service that pays you to do tasks and activities. On their website, you can see all of the best paid offers that are accessible to you on the various offer walls. When you log into your website, simply browse on any of the offer walls to see a list of paid activities that you may perform. The most important aspect of the paid offers is that you must thoroughly follow the directions provided by the offer to receive the prize. You'll receive the prize as well as the cube points once you have completed all of the conditions of the deal. Paid offers will request that you view movies or play certain activities. The essential thing to remember, as we said before, is that you must follow the directions to receive the prizes. Have you ever heard of this website, and if so, how do you use it? We hope this recommendation was helpful, and now, let's move on to the next one. Number 5 is CashKick. Next up on our list is CashKick. The most popular way to earn money with CashKick is to participate in sponsored surveys. CashKick users, on the other hand, may get compensated for watching brief films and advertisements. Because this isn't the company's main product, possibilities for these may be limited compared to the other ways to generate money. When you join CashKick, you'll be prompted to fill out a profile questionnaire, and if you do, you'll get your initial $1. If you seem to be qualifying for video offers, they will show you the offers page of your dashboard. Each video's payout is determined by the offer, which generally varies from $0.25 to a few bucks. If you like CashKick, you can earn more incentives by introducing friends and families to the service. You'll be paid 25% of what they earn for each person you recommend. That is a pretty solid way to earn cash, isn't it? Would you use this? Tell us by commenting if this website interests you. Number 4 is iRazoo. On the number 4 is for our list today, we have iRazoo, one of the most used websites among all of these. iRazoo is a web-based survey platform where you may answer questions, express your thoughts, play games, and watch videos. Whatever you do on iRazoo will get you points, and after that, you may convert your points into the prizes or PayPal cash in any manner you wish. The first step in becoming an iRazoo member is to establish an account, which is both free and simple. To get started with iRazoo, there's an introductory video, and for simply watching the video, you'll receive 25 points. However, to receive the points, you must first watch the entire video. Simply finishing this step will get you 10 points. You'll also receive an additional 200 points for answering the generic profile building questions, validating your email, and submitting your profile photo. iRazoo offers a broad range of video genres to help you boost your overall point total. However, because the rewards are so low, you'll need a lot of patience to get substantial points. Most videos only have 2 points and must be viewed all the way through. But if you ask us, it all somehow seems worth it with the patience and time that you put into it. A secret tip we can give you is to simply fast forward the whole video and get it done quicker. Easy. iRazoo is a good place to bring money online. There are several methods to gain points on the site, which may be redeemed for money or gift cards. Watching videos and utilizing a search engine are 2 of the simplest methods to earn points on the site. Some of the functions, however, are only available in a few countries, so go register, watch some videos, and earn money. Number 3 is Creations Reward. Moving on to the pick number 3, we have Creations Reward. With Creations Reward, you may go to the video section of the site and view a list of videos to earn points. To get points, you must view the film in its entirety. However, the points value will not be revealed until you've completed it. You may do this as many times as you'd like, since the number of points you can earn in a day is unlimited. You may also earn 10% of your friends and family's points by referring them. There's even a page where you can receive cashback and rebates when you shop online at stores such as Walmart and restaurant chains such as Dunkin' Donuts, Shutterfly, and also Udemy, and other places. Isn't it fantastic? You may exchange your points for e-gift cards, and to keep your account active, you must earn at least 100 points every 6 months. We'd love to know your thoughts on this website. Find this video informative? Make sure you give it a like so that this video can reach more people and give them help too. Also, comment down below which one of our picks you most likely to use or maybe already use. Okay, let's continue with our video now. Number 2 is Fusion Cash. This website is amazing and we hope you consider using it. Over the last 12 years, Fusion Cash has handed out over 3 million in prizes. It's similar to many other websites that pay you to view videos, except it has a few additional payment choices. Just for signing up with Fusion Cash, you'll earn at least $5 as a bonus. The website offers an online platform where you can answer all of your inquiries regarding how to profit from it. You may earn an additional $3 each month if you become an active contributor. So, are you planning to use this to earn cash? Drop your comment in the comment section right down below. And on the number 1 spot, here we have Swagbucks. We saved the best for last. On the number 1 spot, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks, a Protégé and LLC company, has been around since 2005. You're probably familiar with the Protégé's other brands such as MyPoints and Shop at Home. We strongly advise you to join Swagbucks to begin earning points for watching videos on YouTube, surfing the web, and taking paid online surveys. They are indeed very trustworthy. Swagbucks will offer you a variety of videos, but you should expect a lot of short pieces including advertising, news material, and viral videos. Although watching videos on the site won't earn you a lot of money or Swagbucks points, we think it's worth a go because it's so simple. Plus, combining Swagbucks with the other recommendations on our list can rapidly add up a significant amount of money because we've already mentioned that the more websites you use, the more money you get. To get started, go to swagbucks.com and sign up for a free account. Swagbucks points are referred to as SB points. SB points may be exchanged for gift cards from major retailers including Amazon, Target, and iTunes. You have the option of receiving the same amount in your PayPal account. Swagbucks is a great opportunity for students in college and high school, as well as those who have spare time. You can always do something else like watch these videos and still get paid. Do you think this is worth your time? Keep in mind that all you're doing is watching a video and earning a crazy amount of money, and doing so is rare and almost impossible. By registering with 2 or more websites, you can expect a decent amount of money. Anyhow, these are effective and quick ways to earn easy money. That is all we've had for you for today's video. We hope this video was helpful for you, and for more such content, stay tuned to our channel. We hope to see you soon, but it's goodbye for now. See ya!